So while over in Adelaide, I purchased some good used electric fans for my Red 124 project. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing wrong with their performance. This is the Behr brand condenser that I purchased while I was buying parts for the 124. To say I'm unimpressed with its quality is an understatement. It doesn't come with any of the sealing rubbers around the perimeter like the OE did. Ironically, Behr was the OE. I don't know who the hell has made this. It seems to be a patent part that they just put their label on these days, because it doesn't even fit in the car properly without a lot of messing around. I ended up giving up with this transplant of the bottom plate from the original condenser because I just couldn't get it to fit. And it still doesn't fit well even with the one supplied that it comes with. So I'm really not impressed with this. I think I would rather use Nissan's brand in future if that one is a better fit. However, I will give this one a go now that I've assembled it with my good used fans. Out on the car itself, I wanted to rectify this dog's breakfast of a wiring situation that has occurred here. It does look like it was professionally done. They have done a good job with the soldering, but I just don't like seeing insulation tape. I also wanted to change out this broken fan resistor. This is what powers those twin fans at half speed when the air conditioning unit calls for it. This is a separate function away from the coolant temperature that turns them on at full speed. So I just went ahead and removed all of that insulation tape to get a better look of the situation. I don't know why, but they had multiple joins in this positive lead for the fans. So I was determined to rectify that situation. It seems like he made a mistake when he added this connector and didn't add enough wire. So decided to add another joint instead of doing the whole job again properly. In any case, I don't like those connectors. I want the factory one on there. So that's what I did. This is what I've done. I have put PVC tubing over the wiring, and I have reinstalled the factory connector. So my new fans will plug straight into that. This area will get cleaned out properly once the engine is installed, because obviously I'm going to install a new receiver dryer for the air conditioner, because everything will be new for the air conditioner. I'm not going to leave that old shitty receiver dryer in there. That would be madness. And of course, to make myself happy, I did reinstall that headlight so it looks like a 124 again. I do just like to look at the car, and I don't want to see big holes in it. Of course, I need to put my front windscreen in at some stage. That's another issue, but I'll get around to it.